What's up, everyone? My name is Carolina Kev, and this is my 1968 Chevy Impala two-door fastback. I've never done this before, but I want to make a video documentary of putting my 68 Impala back together. A little background story, where it came from. I bought this car when I was 17 years old. I drove it for about 2 years. Had an accident with the, the front end pulling out of my driveway. And it's been sitting since then. I started pulling it apart at my buddy's shop. Got kicked out of the shop, and it's been sitting for about 30 years. And now I finally have a place at my new home in the Carolinas. Start putting it back together. So I'm going to do a video documentary of me learning how to do metal and fabrication work. My background is mechanical, but we're going to take a journey together and let's see what happens.